after I make a video. So if you got any kind of screen recorders that you found out that work, put it in the comments below. I'm an iReal tablet, just so you know. And today we're going to play with my dog.
He's on Android.
Somewhere over here. I think we lost that one. Okay. Come on, Chris. Here. I think he earned that one. Come on. I know you want it.
So right now Xander's gonna be teasing the dog.
Yes, we're here.
Xander, stay where I can see you.
Can you reach him? Think you can reach him? He's up here. Up high. Or you missed that one. Chris. Chris.
Xander, try to make him sit down or something.
Right here. Okay. Sit. Sit.
I don't know if he's trained.
Sit. Sit. Put your balls down. What? Sit. Or beg, I guess. He's right here. What? Well, goodbye, everybody.